Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect your wallet to Dex Screener. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type in Dex Screener. Click on the official website when it shows up. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the main dashboard. If you want to look up a specific coin, just use the search bar at the top. Now to connect your Phantom wallet, click the Explore button at the top right corner. This will take you to a page with your portfolio info, gains, losses, and a bunch of listed coins. Before anything else, you'll need to sign in. Look for the Connect Wallet option and click it. A list of wallet options will pop up. Phantom Wallet will only appear after you're signed in, so make sure to log in first. Once you see it, click on Phantom and just follow the steps to link it up with Dex Screener. After that, you'll be able to track your coins, monitor the market, and manage your investments more easily. And that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.